students, in our previous video we discussed about the structure of the human eye, function of each part and how the vision occurred. In today's video we'll see about eye defects, their corrections, eye infections and precautions. Eye defect is something that happens due to a structural or functional issue of the eye. As an example, sometimes the eyeball becomes short or long. Sometimes the eye lens is unable to adjust the focal length of the eye. Two eye defects can be found among humans. They are long sight or hypermetropia and short sight or myopia. A person having long sight or hypermetropia is able to see far away objects clearly, but close objects become unclear. This happens because the inability to increase the curvature of the eye lens or the eyeball being too short, so the light rays focus behind the retina. In order to correct this defect, a convex meniscus lens is used. The convex meniscus lens receives the light rays and converges them. The eye lens converges the light rays again to focus the image at the retina. A person having short sight or myopia sees nearby objects clearly while distant objects appear blurred. This defect arises because of the inability to reduce the curvature of the eye lens or elongation of the eyeball. So the light rays focus in front of the retina, not on the retina. This eye defect can be cured using a concave meniscus lens. The rays from the object are diverged through the concave meniscus lens and the eye lens converges them to a point on retina, which makes the image clear. Eyes of the human are located in front position of the skull, so there is a greater chance of seeing the same area with both eyes. The ability to maintain visual focus on an object with both eyes, creating a single image, is known as binocular vision. The human has a broader range of a binocular vision. There are several types of eye diseases. We'll see about two common such diseases. They are cataract and glaucoma. In this picture, you can see a normal eye and its lens. The lens is transparent and crystalline. In the second picture, you can see a diseased eye. That lens is not transparent. It is because of the denaturing of proteins in the eye, so that the eye lens turn into milky color. Cataract is a cloudiness or opacity in normally transparent lens. Cataract prevents the light rays coming from an object focusing properly on the retina. Then all the objects are seen blurred. This may occur with age and genetical factors. Glaucoma is a disease that gradually reduces the visual range of the eye and leads for blindness due to damage of the optic nerve. By detecting at the first stage, further increase of glaucoma can be controlled. This happens because of the high blood pressure inside the eye. The damage caused to the eye cannot be reversed again. In addition to the above mentioned eye diseases, eye can be infected by viruses. Reddening of eye, secretion of tears are some symptoms of eye infections. These conditions can be cured by medical treatments. Precautionary measures should be followed to prevent health problems and possible defects of the eye. Here are some precautions. Do not watch television or use computers continuously. Do not use eye drops or any other liquid into the eye without medical advice. Do not use someone else's spectacles. If you have an eye defect, use a suitable pair of spectacles. See you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.